Bagginess under the eyes is something that comes with age, but there is a popular eyelid surgery that's meant to improve your appearance. It's called blepharoplasty, and it's one of the topics that's covered in the True Definition of Beauty. It's a book about how modern advances in cosmetic surgery can lead to life-changing results. We now welcome the author and laser eyelid cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Adam Scheiner. Welcome. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm doing great.
It's good to talk to you because I need to know more about this Better Blepharoplasty procedure. You actually developed it.
I did. So, Better Blepharoplasty is really a procedure that is a solution for the shortcomings of traditional eyelid surgery, in which it leaves wrinkled upper lid skin behind. The Better Blepharoplasty is a two-step procedure I developed for more complete eyelid rejuvenation. Step one is using a laser as opposed to a blade to do the procedure and remove the heaviness, and the laser is nice because it leads to less bruising and less pain for the patients. Step two is I use my advanced laser skin resurfacing procedure for the delicate skin of the upper lid to reset it back to a younger, tighter state.
Wow, it's interesting seeing these before and after pictures that you've provided here for us. I want to know more about what inspired you to create Better Blepharoplasty.
Well, I've been doing eyelid surgery with lasers for about 25 years. And although my results have been excellent, I've noticed in my older cases, I left wrinkled upper skin as well. And so when I did my full face advanced procedure, I noticed that I would treat the upper lids, albeit at a lower intensity, and even at a lower intensity, the skin improved a little bit. I then spent 2 years perfecting a technique to treat that upper lid skin with a little bit higher intensity, and I could actually take those old wrinkled skin and reset it back to a younger, tighter state.
Wow, and so how would you describe having an upper lid blepharoplasty without resurfacing?
Yeah, having it without resurfacing is really settling for half measures. The results are really inferior and not really what the patients are looking for in terms of a full rejuvenation.
What kind of results do you get to hear from people after they have the procedure?
Yeah, patients have often commented they look decades younger. I've had some stories where patients have gone out socially to bars and the bartenders have actually thought that they're underage.
Oh!
And so I had one patient in her 40s, it happened on 3 different occasions she got carded.
Really?
And a gentleman even in his 50s got carded as well.
Well, they love that. Why is it that we're seeing more people that want to have eyelid surgery, especially boomers, I feel like, too?
Yeah, eyelid surgery has always been one of the top 5 surgeries that have been performed. As social beings, we always want to connect with one another. We look at the eyes all the time, so if we can make the eyes look better, the whole face can look better. And for a lot of the baby boomers, they want to stay relevant in the workforce, and they're tired of looking tired, and they want to stay vital as well. I think that's why it's driving this.
You can never really guess how old anyone is anymore. Is that kind of what you're saying, too?
I'm saying that's possible, yes.
That's awesome. All right, well, Dr. Scheiner, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. And for more information, call 813-367-1915 or visit AdamScheinerMD.com.